Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to advertise on Twitter. Head over to the business.x.com and then you should be able to see this. Click on this launcher campaign and then this will direct you to the next page wherein you should be able to actually post an ad. So as you can see, it welcomes you to X ads. Click on this get started right here and then just select in here country and region. So for example, for me, I'll head over and then just choose in here Philippines and you can see in here the time zone. Click on this create your first keyword ad and then from in there this will start your campaign right here. So let's just wait for this and then just choose your objective. For example, let's put in here reach. Click on next and then just put in here an ad text. So for example, let's put something like get your first free order now. Now, once you have added that, you can head over and then put in here a media as well. Click on this add media and then browse your device in order to upload it. So for example, for this case, let's head over and then use in here a media that I have. Now for this case, let's add this and click on open. And then you can choose in here which part you want to save. You can save right here. And then once you have done that, this should be able to actually add your first media to your actual gallery. From in there, click on next right here, and then click on got it. Now from in here, you can choose the demographics that you want to get your ad, as well as your targeting features. You can add keywords and follower lookalikes as well. And then from in there, you can put in your budget schedule. So for this one, if you use $50 budget for this particular date range, you should be able to get 9.7 million to 10.7 million reach potential. So just choosing here and adding your payment method in order to properly launch your campaign. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try best to answer. Thanks.